Hey guys, this is Ultimate Ear HYPERBOOM portable Bluetooth speaker. HYPERBOOM rocks a supermassive sound and extreme bass that take your party into a astrosphere. Its phenomenal dynamic range bring your track to life, rendering every sound level in gorgeous detail. The brainy adaptive equalizer read the room or patio or rooftop and automatically customize the speaker sound until it is utterly perfect for the space. 2 Bluetooth inputs, 1 auxiliary and 1 optical. HYPERBOOM goes all night and everywhere, from your living room dance off to the roof party. Big sound, pristine sound plus extreme bass, beautifully rich sound with big booming bass. Easy music sharing, play music from 4 different devices and easily switch between them with just the press of a button. Connect via Bluetooth inputs, 1 auxiliary and 1 optical. All day, 24 hours battery life. HYPERBOOM supports an up to 24 hours rechargeable battery that keep the party pumping wherever you take it. Plug it into the range for the rest of the time. Varies with use, setting and environment. This speaker got 6 internal speakers compatible with iPhone and iPad. Bluetooth compatibility, 3.5mm auxi in, 229 watts, frequency 20 Hz to 45 Hz. Height is 36.4, width is 19, diameter is 19 cm. Main operated, battery required, 1 rechargeable battery included. So we're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. Brilliant. Look at that. Nice packaging. Brilliant. Portable speaker with ridiculously loud, spatty sound and extremely bass. Party up. Connect with any Ulti-Ear Super Boom, Boom or Mega Boom speaker for even bigger roof-raising sound. Bluetooth one-touch music control. Enjoy music streaming. Spill plus splash proof. Extreme bass. 4 inputs plus easy share. 24 hours battery. HYPERBOOM portable speaker that bring the party to life. So the power cables, this one is 2-pin and this one is 3-pin. This is also part of the power cable. You take this end and connect it to the main. Push it inside. Ultimate Ear, this is information pack. So this will tell you the informations how to operate this. Brilliant stuff. Brilliant. Nice. Beautiful. Nice. First impression. Beautiful. First of all, you need to open up this, and from the port here, the power cable goes to the bottom one. You will see optical, auxi, USB out, and from the top you switch this speaker on and off from this button here. The plus is for you to increase the volume, the minus is for you to decrease the volume. You also have the center one is pause and play. You also have Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, optical and auxi in. This is for you to increase the volume, the minus decrease the volume, and this button here is for you to switch this speaker on. Plug the power cable to the power. Push it inside and it's in. Now the next thing to do is switch the speaker on. And the light is showing.
Critical battery, please charge. Hi there. Please download the Ultimate Ears Boom app to experience all of the features of your speaker.
Now critical battery, so the battery low, so we need to charge this up. It's plugged into the power. You can see Bluetooth 1 is highlighting. You also have Bluetooth 2, auxi and optical. I want to show you how to connect this speaker to your laptop and your phone. So what you need to do, you need to switch the speaker on and off from this button. Switch it on. If you select Bluetooth 1 and 2. So this is Bluetooth 2. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, then switch Bluetooth on. And the Bluetooth is on, then you need to select add a device and select Bluetooth. It will start to look for available Bluetooth device. HYPERBOOM audio is available, so you need to select it and it's connected. You select done. Now this is connected for audio. We're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. So go to saved music.
This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do like something that will blow your mind. Do you know the things you do to me? Touch me and I'll make you understand. Do you know the thing you make me feel? I can show you if you take my hand. I just wanna dance with you. Let me take you under, where nobody can see. I just wanna dance with you.
if you want to connect the second device, you switch Bluetooth on, and this is on. Now the next thing you need to do is you go to your phone, select Bluetooth, switch Bluetooth on your phone, then you search for HYPERBOOM. HYPERBOOM is connected. HYPERBOOM is connected for audio. So now this speaker is connected to the phone and also connected to the laptop. Then you go and play music you have on your phone. For instance, here is. So if you want to play music when this one is playing, then you need to go to select Bluetooth source. Then the music you have here will be playing. This speaker is beautiful stuff. This speaker is connected to this phone and laptop. So any gadget, between these two gadgets, any music you want to play, if you want to play music from the laptop, then you need to select Bluetooth audio source. Then you go to Bluetooth 2, BT source 2. Then you select on it. Then go to your laptop and select the music you want to play. Now the music now is playing from the laptop.
When it gets late, I always realize that I need you. Are you thinking about me tonight? It's no secret, all my friends already know. There's no reason to hold it back and let it show. All my feelings. Are you thinking about me tonight? Like a drug, I am hooked on you. Sweeter than some I want. Baby, just hold me tight. Like a drug, I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things they say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. There are like it's a reason, break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
Then if you want to play music from your phone, then you select BT source 1. Then the music from the laptop will stop. Then you go to your phone, wherever you save your music on your phone, you select the music you want to play from your phone. So go to saved music, then you select the music.
I promised I would wait for you, but I'm getting so impatient. Tell me that you're ready now. This room is big enough for two, and I wanna do that something that will blow your mind. Do you know that?
Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sí que estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sí que estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Quiero, baby. Dime, ¿cuántas veces Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor. Dame tu amor, dame tu amor, dame tu amor, tu amor, tu amor.
Thank you very much. This speaker deserves your attention. It's beautiful stuff, powerful. Like this speaker, this is the handle here. You can carry it well secure. Nice. I'm happy with it. Thank you.